Now come to numericals related to free falling bodies. First numerical is a cricket ball is dropped from a height of 20 meters. Calculate the speed of ball when it hits the ground. The second one is calculate the time it takes to fall through this height. The value of G, it is given 10 meter per second square. A cricket ball is dropped from a height. So remember, when cricket ball is dropped from a height and it is given in the sign convention is there, for a freely falling body, G is taken as positive. And when ball is thrown vertically downward, then U is equal to 0. So what is the value of U? Is equal to 0. Initial velocity of the ball is 0. Why 0? Because it is dropped from a height. You know from this sign convention, when body is dropped from a height, then U is equal to 0. And what is the value of G? G is equal to, when body is dropped from a height, then G is equal to plus 9.8 meter per second square. But here the value of G is given 10 meter per second square for convenience, for calculation convenience. So G is equal to plus 10 meter per second square. And height is equal to 20 meters. So by using V square minus U square is equal to 2GH. By using this equation of motion, V square minus U square is equal to 2GH. So V square, you have to find out the speed of the ball, final velocity when it hits the ground. So U square is, V square is equal to U square plus 2GH. So V square as it is, and initial velocity 0, 2 as it is, the value of G is 10, and the value of H is, it is dropped from a height of 20 meters. So V square is equal to 400. After calculation, 20 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 2. So V is equal to under the root 400. So V is equal to 20 meter per second. So the speed of the ball when it hits the ground is equal to 20 meter per second. The second thing which you have to calculate, the time it takes to fall through this height. So come to second part. V is equal to, just calculated, V is equal to 20 meter per second. Initial velocity U is equal to 0, and G is equal to plus 10 meter per second square. We know that V is equal to U plus GT. V is known, U is known, G is known, then you can find out T. So value of V is just calculated 20. The value of U is equal to 0 plus 10 T. So V is equal to 10 T. So T is equal to 20 upon 10 is equal to 2 seconds. So in this way you can calculate the time which is equal to 2 seconds. Thank you.